Hello, my name is Dean, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, in this clip we're going to be taking a look at checking the bottom of your vehicle for oil leaks before we drain the oil, as this can help determine if you have an issue before you drain the oil, or if your drain plug and gasket may need to be replaced as it may not be sealing. This can be determined by looking and checking for oil leaks before we drain it. So let's go down and look at that. Now, the areas to look for leaks is the filter that we put on. Make sure that area is still dry. The plug area would also be to look at to make sure that you've got the plug properly seated. And also, this can be very helpful if you pay attention to where you park and when you leave. If you see an oil spot, maybe in your parking spot at work or in your garage floor at home, this can be a telltale sign of a problem that will need to be corrected.